tell him, Marv. The stream fed the marsh with water. But now there's no stream water, so...
No marsh water, no marsh.
Look, not only did we have rights, but so did the grass and the flowers and the creatures that left.
And the muck! You can't forget about the muck!
Gosh, I didn't know all this would happen by putting up my slide. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do this. I never wanted to take away other animals or nature's rights.
Ronald, 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 Ronald.
I don't know what to do. I can't just take away the slide. My friends counted on me, and I told them I'd make a fun slide for them.
Ronald, Ronald, Ronald.
See, they're getting much needed fun from the stress of being a cat.
It is quite stressful.
Well, Cat's got rights too, just like he says.
What are we gonna do, Nature Cat? What are we gonna do? I mean, what are we gonna do?
How are we going to keep everyone and nature happy and healthy?
I have an idea. Look, how about we move the slide downstream a little bit so it won't block the marsh stream? Water will go back to the marsh and Ronald's slide will still work.
Oh. Move the slide downstream.
Daisy, that's crazy. So crazy it might just work. Marvin? Huh. I do believe that would solve it, Cousin Squeaks.
Ronald?
I'm not so sure, Nature Cat.
Come on, Ronald, why?
Because then we gotta take into consideration how moving the slide downstream will affect nature there.
Oh, man, Ronald. You know, sometimes you really do surprise me.
Just looking out for nature's rights.
Hey, fishies. We want to put a slide here, but you can still swim under or around it. Is that cool with you?
Flowers, listen up. We're thinking of moving the slide downstream, but it won't bother you or your sunlight or your water or anything, okay?
I'm so glad the slide won't bother you all.
Now let's check on the stream and marsh. Tally-ho!
Well, golly, the marsh is on its way back.
And so are the frogs and herons.
And so is the muck. Hi, Muck. It's me, Hal.
Oh, hi, Hal. Oh, we miss you so much. It's great to see you.
Nature has rights, Ronald, and we need to defend those rights because nature can't.
Right you are, Nature Cat. Right you are.